to the next bird. Children, can you please recognize which bird is this? Which bird is this on the screen? Okay, very good. It's crow. So the crow says ka, 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 ka. Yes. So we did a story, we did a poem of related to the crow of crow. एक प्यासा कौवा था, घड़े में पानी थोड़ा था, कौवा कंकर ऊपर आया पानी, खत्म हुई कहानी. So the crow is black bird. It has black eyes, black beak, black feathers, black feet, everything black. Okay, so this is crow. And let's come to the next bird. Meanwhile, let me quickly flash. Now this is everybody's favorite. So what bird is this, children? Can you please quickly name it? Yes, Dimple ma'am, it's parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah, and parrot says pitu, 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 pitu. And the beak of the parrot is red in color. The body of the parrot is green, fluorescent green. Yes, and there is a little orange circle near the eye of the parrot, right? Yes. So this is a parrot. Parrot eats guava, chilies, fruits, and parrot talks also. Okay, it's a talking parrot, right? So the next bird which I'm flashing is, what bird is this, children?
Choo, 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 choo.
Is it a crow? No. Is it a peacock? No. It's a sparrow. Yes. Chi-chi, 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 chi-chi. So these are two sparrows and they have a pointed beak. They have brown feathers. They have a tail and they have wings to fly. Okay? And children, do you remember Dimple ma'am ने हमें कौन सी एक्टिविटी कराई थी जो bird fly नहीं कर सकती? The bird which cannot fly, black and white bird. Do you know that? Anybody who knows it? The black and white bird which cannot fly is penguin. Yes, it's penguin. Penguin lives in a very, very cold weather on the snow. And it's really, really cold. वहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है. Okay. Now quickly let's go through the body of the bird, and then Dimple ma'am is going to start the next activity. So this is the head. Children, touch your head quickly. Head, 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 head. Beak, 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 beak. Beak, 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 beak. Eyes, 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 eyes. Eyes, 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 eyes. Wings, 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 wings. Wings, 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 wings. Fly, 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 fly. Legs, 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 legs. Tap, 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 tap. Very good. Now let's quickly do the poem, Two Little Dicky Birds. Let's start the poem. Okay. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Okay. So, Dimple ma'am, we are ready to start our birdie dance. So, let's start. Over to you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Parents who are writing something in the chat box, ma'am, please unmute us. Please write in the chat box. Your query will be answered if there is any query, because in between the session, we cannot unmute everyone. So if you have any query, please ask. I'm repeating the material required for today. Dimple ma'am is going to quickly start with the birdie dance. After which ma'am is going to teach us how to make bird with the different circles. Circles should be cut. Ma'am, roughly we require 5 or 6 circles.
Ma'am, we require 5 circles.
Okay, so 5 circles. After which we're going to start the activity of making a nest. We're going to make bird's nest. For bird's nest, we require a white sheet, we require a dry grass, we require a Fevicol. Right? So these are the things we require, and continued by the brainstorming activities, and different body parts of the birds will be shown. You have to identify the picture and tell me which part of the bird it is. So this and much more is going to be starting now. So don't go anywhere. Okay, stay connected and please write in the chat box if you have any query. Thank you so much. If you don't have grass, completely okay, they can just draw it. So let's get started with the class. Yes, Dimple ma'am, we all are super excited for the birdie dance.
Yes. Okay. So ma'am, just tell me the music can be heard. Can the music be heard, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Dimple ma'am, can you please raise the volume of the music? Can you just increase the volume of the music little bit? Because we can hear, but we are not able to listen to the lyrics. Some music we can hear.
Ma'am, it's
if
only
you
the
can just
it's only the music. There are no lyrics with it. Okay.
okay, so only the music. And can you please increase the volume so that we're a little clear on it? Yeah. Children, please follow Dimple ma'am. Dimple ma'am, please increase the sound. We are just able to copy your actions.
Ma'am, that's the highest that the sound can go.
Okay, fine. Then we'll copy. Parents, if you're not able to hear the music, just copy the actions which ma'am is telling, right? We can all copy her. Because sometimes there is, I can hear the music, but it's not very loud, but it's quite clear. So I think we all can do the actions, right? Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so did you enjoy dancing?
Yes, ma'am. For the ones who have joined, we are going to do repetition again. And now let's start, Dimple ma'am, with the craft work.
Okay, ma'am. Just give me 2 minutes and I shall share the screen of what we are going to make and what we require.
Let's start, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. And okay, so ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to make this bird. And to make this bird, these are the things we require. Okay. So we require 5 circles of paper. 4 are white, all 4 are of the same color. 1 is black. 2 small circles which we will use as eyes, and 1 small triangle which we will use as a beak. And you can either use a stick or you can also use a pencil to make the bird, whatever is available with you. And if you don't, if your one circle is not colored black, is absolutely fine. You can color it even after the bird is over, after you finished making the bird. So let me know when you're ready and I shall show you what to do. Okay, give me a thumbs up once you're ready. Sheetal ma'am, are they ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll start.
Parents, we're going to repeat the rhymes and the dance again, right? After the class, after the craft work, sorry. So organize your stuff. Ma'am is giving the instructions, Fevicol, circle, stick, everything. And in case if you don't have anything, take a pen and paper, write down everything. Whenever you are free, you can do with your child. So we are starting with the first craft of the day. Okay. So ma'am is going to give you step-by-step instructions and we're going to mix along. So it's going to be.
So you take 1 circle and you take this small little beak which we have made. So let's take that first. Come on, are we ready? Now,
So ma'am is giving instructions step by step. If you don't have the stuff, please pen down everything, write down everything. And we're coming back again.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we are behind 1 circle we will apply a little bit of glue and then place the beak inside it like this.
Okay. Yatharth's mother, you can take your time. Ma'am is going slow. Ma'am, it's a request of the parents that if you can go a little slow because
Yes,
they're
ma'am,
just
I'm
cutting the circles.
absolutely slow.
So
I
we'll
can
wait. We'll go step by step. We will go very slow. And please encourage the children to make on their own.
Okay, have you finished? Okay, should we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we've applied the beak. Now, what we are going to do is, we will take one eye and paste it on the same circle on which we pasted our beak on the same circle. We will paste the eye like this. Okay, I can see a lot have finished, right? Now, should we move to the next part? We take one more circle and the other eye, and we paste the eye on the other circle. Like this. Finished? Let me know if you have finished. Sheetal ma'am, have they finished?
Ma'am, they're just doing, so let's wait. If Dimple ma'am, can you
Yes.
just wait for everyone? I think they are just finishing it.
Okay,
I can
ma'am, I'll
see
wait.
few children. Children, just hold it in your hand so that we are able to figure it out that you have done this much. Yes, ma'am, you can proceed. Okay.
Okay. Now, on any one of the circles, apply glue all over. And you can place your stick or your pencil, whatever you want to make it on, and paste the other circle behind it like this.
Done. Okay. If you have done this much, please write in the chat box.
See, like this. One circle and the other circle.
Somebody is writing in the chat box, nothing is visible. Dimple ma'am is already there on the screen. We can see her very well. She is giving us a demo of all things, what we have to do step by step. And I think it's quite clear.
I think they need to relog in, ma'am.
Yeah, sometimes there's a network issue, ma'am. So parents, whoever is not able to catch up with what we are doing, either some network issues there, please rejoin again with the same ID, right? And we are still completing the craft. And Dimple ma'am, if we don't have a stick, if we can take a loop and put it at the back.
We can put it in the loop. We can use a pencil. We can use a pen. We can use anything. We can even use a thread.
Okay. All right. So children, just hold it in your hand. Let me see a birdie. And you can also...
Okay, now should we do the lower part of the body?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you take your third circle and you apply glue to it. Apply glue to it like this. Place it on one part of what your stick or your pencil, anything, whatever you are using. Place it on that like this. And the fourth circle, you place it on the other side and you press it tight. See, like this.
Ma'am, can we use it to put it in the pot or stick, or we can put it in the stationery box or a pen
Yes,
stand?
ma'am. We can even use it there, and sometimes we can even use it, put it on a drinking straw very nicely and give it as a magic for to the children to drink their milk in the glass.
Yeah.
And if we use thread to attach it, we can, tie it to the fan. So it'll keep moving with the fan round and round. Finished? Should I move to the next step? Or do I need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
wait? Okay.
Ma'am, let's move.
Okay. Now you take the other one, the fifth circle, and you first fold it in half. You first fold it in half like this, and then
Okay.
you hold it like this. Diagonally, you have to hold it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you hold it diagonally, open it a little bit. See, open it a little, apply just glue to 1/4 portion of the circle, not the full circle, and press it down. And similarly, the other side also, apply glue to only 1/4 portion. And here you have it. Your bird is ready.
So, children, you can give a name to your birdie. Yeah? Dimple ma'am, what's the name of your bird?
The name of my birdie is Tweety.
Tweety. Wow.
Yes, I call my bird Tweety.
Very good. Tweety.
And I use Tweety like I'm reading this book. No, sorry, I'm reading this book. So Tweety goes like this. I finished reading till page number 31. So Tweety goes here. And then every time Tweety tells me, pick me up, read the book, read the book.
Yeah, that's a wonderful gesture. Ma'am, we can also give to our friends as a gift.
Yes, ma'am.
With a bow or something.
So here is our little bird.
Okay, so Dimple ma'am, you can quickly check what children have made.
Yes,
and
1 minute.
towards the end of the session, parents will ask the name of the birds, right? So Dimple ma'am has taught us a beautiful craft.
Okay.
If you all can, children, hold the craft in your hand, and let me quickly take a picture of all the children. So I can see Nandini, Prisha Singhal on my screen, and children, if you can hold it, it will be really great. Because sometimes
come on fast. Reyansh, Monica Jori, Saksham, Bhumika, let us see your pictures. Sorry, let us see your birds. Quick, quick, quick.
Parents, there's a number in the chat box. Please click the pictures and send it there.
Let me see
quickly.
your bird.
And you can also take a snapshot of the children and put on your status what they are learning.
Okay, now let me see who are the other children who've done it. Okay, let us see.
Parents, just encourage the children to hold the craft in their hand. Beautiful. Okay, very nice. And whoever was not able to make the craft today, you can take your time and make it later. Children, Shreyani, please hold the craft in your hand. I cannot see the craft, but yeah, thank you. Parents, I think you all are a part of the activity club group where all pictures are uploaded from time to time. So please click their pictures and do send on Rishi sir's number, which is mentioned in the chat box. And we are going to update from there.
Very
And sometimes there are too many pictures, pending to update. So please be patient in case if the picture doesn't come on the same day. Yeah.
Wow,
So I think it was a wonderful craft.
Lovely, lovely. Such lovely birds we can see, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, children, name your bird. अपनी bird का name रख लो जल्दी से. Ma'am की bird का name तो okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Excellent. Let's clap for all the children. You have given wings to the beautiful birds. Very good. Clap, 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 clap for yourself. Very good. Excellent. So what is the name of your bird? Somebody is saying Chicky, somebody is saying Pingu, somebody is saying
Cutie, somebody
Cutie,
saying.
yeah. Okay, very good. So Dimple ma'am, what are we next learning now?
Next, what should we do, ma'am? Should we do the activity or should we listen to a story?
Ma'am, I think I'll quickly flash some body parts of the bird. They have to recognize which body part of the bird it is, and then we will come back to the nest because the bird is ready, and without the bird, the nest is incomplete. So somebody saying, please wait. Parents, we are giving a break in between. We are putting a question round so that you are able to complete this craft and there is a time between the other craft. Okay? So don't think hum immediately shuru kar denge. We also understand, children, we have made a stick bird, but we have to make a beautiful nest for our bird, which we will do after the question round. So Dimple ma'am, I'm going to quickly put some pictures on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
And the children have to recognize what body part of the bird it is. बच्चों मैं screen के ऊपर bird की beak, legs, अलग-अलग body parts दिखाऊंगी आपको. जल्दी से देख के बताना है what body part it is. And I want a very spontaneous response from the parents. When you see, immediately please reply in the group. So Dimple ma'am, can we see the first picture?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is it, children? Quickly recognize what body part of the bird it is. I want very quick answer. I'm going to select the best kids from this. Very good. Can we all make a beak with our hands? Beak, 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 beak. Excellent. It's a black beak of a black and yellow bird. Okay. Now I come to the next picture. Let me see who can identify what are these. What are these, children? Can you quickly tell me? What are these? This is very easy question. These are the beautiful feathers. Yes? So, we all have a skin and the birds have feathers on their body. Yes. Yes, so Dimple ma'am, there are different colors of feathers on my screen. Green, blue, yellow and black.
I can recognize only one feather, that is of the peacock.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, one feather, the black one, I think is of a crow.
But that's little gray also, no? Crow is the full black, ma'am.
Oh, yes. So I think, ma'am, these are of different birds. So I can recognize the biggest feather, which is a peacock feather, because it's a very big bird. Okay. So now, Dimple ma'am, I'm going to flash my next picture. So what is this, children? What is this? This is not a feather. It is something else. It's a long.
Is it a tail?
Yes, ma'am. It's a long tail. Okay. This bird has a long tail. आपकी tail है बच्चों? Do you all have tail?
No.
Do you have tail? Thumbs down.
No tail.
No tail.
We don't have a tail. Okay, Sheetal ma'am's coming back. So till then, we shall wait and let us see. Okay, so now let me, okay, till Sheetal ma'am comes back, let me ask you, what does the hen eat? Answer in the chat box. What does a hen eat? No, hen doesn't eat eggs. A hen gives us eggs. What does a hen eat? मुर्गी क्या खाती है? Seeds खाती है, right? Okay, or grains. What does a duck eat? Duck. Quack, 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 quack. What does a duck eat? Duck eats weed, duck eats fish. Yes. And okay, now, let me think. What does the peacock eat? What does a peacock eat? Peacock doesn't eat nuts and peacock doesn't eat fruits. What does a peacock eat? Peacock eats an animal which says peacock eats the snake. And what does the eagle eat? The eagle also eats snake, or it sometimes even eats mice or a mouse or a rat. So eagle eats the snake or the rat. And what does a crow eat? Caw, 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 crow. What does a crow eat? Crow eats humans? No. Crow roti खाता है, fruits खाता है, और कभी कभी crow डेड रैट भी खा लेता है ना, गंदा सा चूहा. बट आपको पता है क्रो तो बड़ा हेल्पफुल होता है. क्रो, even if a crow is black in color, a crow is very very helpful to all of us. पता है आपको क्यों हेल्पफुल है क्रो? क्योंकि क्रो काफी सारी हमारी गंदगी साफ करता है by eating all the dead animals and by eating all the garbage. It keeps everything clean. So the crow is very, very clean. Okay, the crow actually maintains a lot of cleanliness. Okay, now by the time Sheetal ma'am joins back, I'll tell you a story. चलो story सुनते हैं हम. शीतल मैम आते हैं तब तक हम लोग एक story सुनेंगे, ठीक है? So today आज हम story सुनेंगे parrots और snake की. So today we are going to listen to a story about 2 parrots and 1 snake. In a garden, in a beautiful garden, there was one tree. And on the top of the tree lived 2 parrots. They had a beautiful nest. And in that nest, they had some eggs. And right below that tree lived a snake, a very, very naughty and cruel snake lived over there. Now, that snake was very cruel. So one day, when the parrots went out and to get food for themselves, you know what the snake did? The snake came and ate away all the parrots' eggs. The parrots came back, they were very sad. Mama parrot just started crying. She said, all my eggs are broken. The snake has eaten all the eggs. She was very, very upset. बहुत upset हो गई mama snake, mama parrot. और फिर उन्होंने मंकी को बुलाया और मंकी को बोला, मंकी भैया, ये स्नेक तो हमारे सारे एग्स खा गया। तो मंकी ने स्नेक को जाके पूछा, तुमने एग्स खाए? तो क्यों तुमने एग्स खाए? तो स्नेक्स ने कहा, आई वॉज वेरी हंग्री, मुझे तो बहुत भूख लगी थी तो मैं एग्स खा गया। बट हर बार, बट स्नेक तो बहुत क्रूर था, बड़ा नॉटी था, तो हर बार जब पैरट्स कुछ खाना लेने जाते, स्नेक ऊपर चढ़ के उनकी एग्स खा जाता। तो एक बार मंकी को किसी ने बताया कि उस पेड़ के पास एक छोटी सी नदी बहती थी और उस नदी के वहां पर रानी रोज स्नान करने आती थी। द क्वीन यूज्ड टू कम टू बेथ। तो जैसे ही रानी रोज आती थी, वो सारे अपने गहने, ऑल हर ज्वेल्स, ऑल हर चेन्स एंड नेकलेसेस एंड ऑल हर बैंगल्स, एवरीथिंग, शी यूज्ड टू कम एंड कीप इट एट द साइड ऑफ द रिवर। वो नदी के किनारे रखती थी और वो नहाने चली जाती थी। अब मंकी तो बहुत होशियार था और वो पैरट्स का फ्रेंड भी था। तो उसने पैरट्स को बोला, आप एक काम करो, टुमारो व्हेन द क्वीन कम्स टू बेथ, कल जब रानी वहां पर नहाने आएगी और अपने सारे गहने वहां पर रखेगी, आप वो सारे गहने उठाकर अपने पेड़ पर ले आना। सो what the parrots did, they went to the river bank, and when the queen came, they picked up the queen's jewels, they picked up the queen's jewelry, and they came up and kept it in their nest. Now who saw this? The queen's soldiers, रानी के सिपाहियों ने वो देख लिया कि पैरट तो रानी की सारी ज्वेलरी लेकर भाग रहे हैं, सारे गहने लेकर भाग रहे हैं। So they also started running behind them, and they came down and stood near the tree. और स्नेक को तो पता था कि पैरट्स तो चले गए खाना लेने, तो स्नेक बड़ी आराम से वो उस पेड़ पे चढ़कर सारे एग्स खाकर ऐसे नीचे उतर रहा था। और जैसे ही नीचे उतर रहा था, वो रानी के सिपाहियों ने उस स्नेक को देख लिया और सबसे पहले क्या किया उन्होंने? स्नेक से तो सब लोग डरते हैं ना। So what they did, the first thing they did is they killed the snake, and then they climbed up on the tree, took away the queen's jewels, and went back. Now you tell me, आप मुझे बताओ कि वो पैरट के एग्स को बचाने के लिए किसने हेल्प की थी पैरट्स की? कौन से एनिमल ने हेल्प की थी? कौन से एनिमल ने हेल्प की थी? मंकी ने, राइट। और स्नेक क्या करता था जब पैरट्स खाना लेने जाते थे? तो स्नेक क्या करता था रोज? What was the snake doing every day? It is to come and eat the eggs, right? And monkey ने पैरट्स को क्या बोला? किसकी ज्वेलरी लेकर आने के लिए बोला? किसके गहने लेकर आने के लिए बोला? क्वीन की, रानी की ज्वेलरी लेकर आने के लिए बोला। Yes. So who was the best friend of the parrots? The monkey or the snake? The monkey was the best friend. Very good. Chalo. Now, Sheetal ma'am has come back. So, let us continue with the activity which we were doing with Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am, are you there? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. I was there. I was just waiting for the beautiful story to get over.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, from where do you get such beautiful stories? I think every time we get to know new vocabulary words and a beautiful message your stories have.
Ma'am, I have a lot of storybooks.
Okay, so parents do read storybooks and take recommendations of book reading from Dimple ma'am. Okay, so now coming back, and sorry, kids, in between there was some net issue, and now Dimple ma'am, if you could quickly give me permission of being a co-host, and
Yes,
I can start.
I'll just make you a co-host. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, so now children, I'm starting again. There was a question which I had flashed on the screen. You had to recognize the picture. So if we could quickly go over there. This was a tail, okay? So this was a tail, a big and a long tail. The tails are really big. So now I'm coming to my next picture. Recognize this bird and tell me, what is it?
Oh.
What is it, children? Can you recognize? Is it a sparrow? Is it a duck? It looks more like a duck. So let's do this rhyme of duck. Okay? Are we ready for the rhyme? Please keep a hand on your mouth like this. Quack, 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 quack. Listen to the quiet ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Listen to the quiet ducks. Quack, quack, quack. And here comes the noisy duck. Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Okay, come on. Okay, chalo. I think Sheetal ma'am is has again lost connection. So till Sheetal ma'am comes back, let us do another rhyme. Okay, do we all know the rhyme of 5 little ducks? Come on, let's do. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 4 little ducks came wobbling back. 4 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. 3 little ducks came wobbling back. 3 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And 2 little ducks came wobbling back. 2 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And only 1 duck came back. 1 little duck went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And no little duck came wobbling back. Mama duck तो बहुत sad हो गई होगी ना? कोई भी डक वापस नहीं आए? तो अब मम्मा डक के साथ जाकर सारे डक्स को वापस लेकर आएंगे, ठीक है? मम्मा डक वेंट आउट, मम्मा डक वेंट out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all 5 little ducks came wobbling back, wobbling back, wobbling back. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, so now let me see. Okay. Sheetal ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please give me permission to be a co-host?
Yes, ma'am.
Very sorry, my net is very unstable today.
No
So
problem,
there's a lot
ma'am.
of network issue happening here.
It happens.
So
with
we
all
are
of us,
starting with the
ma'am.
craft. Yeah, quickly let's draw this on the sketchbook or on the white sheet. Children, start making it. And this is a rough sketching. Inside this, we are going to paste our grass. So please take a white sheet quickly. Children, take a white sheet. Inside this, we are going to paste the grass. So this is going to be the nest of the beautiful bird which we have made today. Ma'am, can we see the picture on the screen?
Yes, ma'am, we can see the picture.
So, okay. So we have to take a black crayon or a brown crayon for this.
Okay.
And it's a rough sketching. So we have to make it for the nest of a bird. Now inside this, we are going to paste the dry
Grass.
grass. If you don't have a dry grass, and in between, we are going to place the stick of a bird which we have just completed. So if you are making in a sketchbook, you can keep your bird
Parents, if you don't
separate as a bookmark. If you are making on a piece of sheet, then you can use that same bird to keep inside this nest.
And ma'am, there are some people who are saying they don't have grass. So we can suggest that if they have wool or if they have thread, they can use even that to make the nest.
Yeah, anything, because if you see, the bird carries whatever she gets in her neck. So it is not specification of a grass here. It can be twigs, it can be a rough paper, anything. But something which is light in weight, which bird can carry in her beak. Okay? It can be a torn paper of a newspaper. You can take a paper, rough paper. You can make use of wool, thread, cotton.
Dry leaves.
Anything. Yes, dry leaves for sure. So I will wait till everybody finishes the nest. And then I'm going to quickly flash the pictures. So children, the concept is the bird always lives in a nest. Okay? The bird always lives in a nest. Like we live in a house, so the bird lives in the nest. And next class, we're going to learn about the bird house. Okay? Any leaves, ma'am, you can use. You're writing in the chat box. Any leaves, whatever is available with you, please go ahead. And okay. So children, if your nest is ready, please flash it so that we can see. Okay, Jia, can you please show us our stuff? Beautiful. Jia, can you please hold this in your hand?
Very pretty. Wow.
And let me quickly take the picture. Jia, just smile. Give a smile.
Someone said they have a
Thank
nest
you.
also, ma'am.
Anybody else who has completed?
Ma'am.
Okay, who is that? Let's flash it, ma'am, and let's show it.
Prashast has a real nest, so let's see it. Okay, Prashast Srivastav, let us see your real nest.
Okay.
Let us see your nest, Prashast. Very pretty. Wow. मैम उसमें एग्स तो नहीं थे जब आप लेकर आए वो नेस्ट? Very pretty. Come on, now let's go to the next children, ma'am. Okay, Prisha also has a real nest. So let us see Prisha. Let us see your real nest, Prisha. Wow, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very pretty, very nice. Okay, now let us all go back to Sheetal, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Anybody else? Ma'am, Nandini is there?
I'm just checking. Ekamveer's nest.
Nandini. I can see her craft. Ma'am Nandini also.
Oh. Okay. Wow, very nice. Who else? Rian.
Nandini, just hold it in the hand.
Okay, wow. So see, ma'am. Very nice. Wow, very pretty. And who else? Some 3 to 4.
Parents, please click the pictures of the children and you can send us quickly. Okay, so beautiful craft everybody has done, Dimple ma'am, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, such beautiful nest.
Okay, so children, keep your staff on one side, Ekamveer. We really appreciate what you have done. And I want, let's quickly start flapping our wings. Let me play some music. And Dimple ma'am, I'm trying to connect.
Yes, ma'am. And let them
So,
flap the
with
wings and hold the balloon between their hands and run. Between their knees and run.
music. So I want all the children to stand up, please, and turn by turn. Yeah, turn by turn. Yeah. So I'll play the music, ma'am, and you can just take care and keep flashing the pictures of all the kids in between.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in case, ma'am, so I'm just playing the music. Give me a minute.
Come on, parents. Let the children hold the balloon or the ball in their hands, in their legs, and flap the wings like this and run. Run or hop. I can see some children doing it. But you have to hold the balloon in your, between your knees. Knees के बीच में balloon को पकड़ो. Whichever balloon, whichever ball you have, if you don't have a ball or a balloon, give your child a pillow. अगर balloon और ball नहीं है, तो एक छोटा cushion दे दो. Come on, let me see. Okay, let me just check.
So start with our head down. Now look slowly up. Now hug yourself. Now kind of hula hands. Other side. Repeat the whole thing.
Patrol! Dance, 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 dance! Let's dance! It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party! Let's dance! It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party! Let's dance! Everybody's jumping. Music is pumping. Everybody's jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Step to the left, left. Step to the right. Here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance. Put your dance shoes on. Wear your dance party pants. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance.
Wave your hands in the air.
Wave, wave, wave. Let's dance. Dance. March like the marching band. March, march, march. Let's dance. Dance, dance. Spin round and round.
Very
Spin,
nice.
spin, let's dance. Dance, dance.
Get your children to do like this.
Step to the front, front. Step to the back, back. Here we go. Let the rhythm flow. Dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance. Turn the music up. Sing along. Clap your hands. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's dance. Hop like a kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Let's dance. Dance, dance.
Snap like a crocodile.
Snap, snap, snap. Let's dance. Dance, dance. Run like a cheetah. Run, run, run. Let's dance. Dance, dance. Step to the left, left. Step to the right, right. Here we go, here we go. Let the rhythm flow. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do the dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do the dance. Put your dance shoes on. Wear your dance party pants. It's a dance party. Dance party. Turn the music up. Sing along. Clap your hands. It's a dance party. Dance party. Let's do the dance. Shake your tail feather. Shake, shake, shake. Let's dance. Dance. Let's do the dance. Jumping on the spot. Jump, jump, jump. Let's dance. Dance. Let's do the dance. Stomping, stomping. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Let's dance. Dance. Let's do the dance. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Let's dance. Dance. Let's do the dance. It's a dance party. Everybody make your body dance.
Okay, very good. So children, did you enjoy? I want Dimple ma'am, if you can quickly on the mics of all children and let them scream.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, apologies for my net being so bad today.
Ma'am, it's fine. We all face that problem.
Incoming call. Incoming call.
Okay. Ma'am, now not today the children will not scream. Today the children will first, all of them will do quack, quack like the duck.
Sure. Okay. So let's start.
1, 2, 3. Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Okay, now close, close, close. Okay, now parrot, parrot, parrot. Now sparrow.
Sparrow. Okay.
Okay.
आवाज आती है ना जाती है Okay, thank you so much, children. Dimple ma'am, if you can mute everybody back again. Children, please be on mute for a minute. Kukuruku, we know we all enjoyed a lot with the balloon. Okay, we know you all enjoyed a lot with the balloon, with the ball. Children, we learned about birds. Where does a bird live? Dimple ma'am taught us a beautiful craft along with a beautiful story. And now, with some more excitement, we are going to see you next time. Okay, so next time we see you will be a Saturday. And apologies for being so unslow and unstable in between. And children, now what you have to do, hold the balloon, make a video of just 30 seconds, record it and send us immediately on the number mentioned in the chat box. And we are going to put it across in the activity club group. So Dimple ma'am, thank you so much for
Welcome.
teaching
Thank you,
us
Sheetal
the
ma'am.
story and the craft so well.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, children. See you on Saturday. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. I'm ending the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yeah, okay.